Welcome! Today I'll go through the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A71 and some key features of the device. So, just get it unboxed. First off, you get the phone. Now, this one is already set up and turned on, so let me just pop it out of the foil right there. So, that's the device. I'm just gonna set it somewhere on the side right there. Then in the box you have something that I first time encountered, a USB to USB-C cable, and the charger is also a USB-C, as you can see, so that's actually fairly nice, moving to the future, I guess. So setting that on the side, and then you get the typical Samsung buds, not the AKG like the Note and S series have, so that's a little bit disappointing, but then this device costs also less, so yeah. Now let's just set that also on the side and focus on the device. So this is the, I think it's a 6 gig version. There's also an 8 gigabyte RAM version. So key features, I guess this would be the display. It's a Super AMOLED, 6.7 inch. It's only 1080p, although the resolution is 1080 by 2400. So yeah, then comes with a 393 ppi, so pixel per inch. Not the best one, but then it's also not the most expensive device. Let's leave this. Then the front camera is a 32 megapixel camera, selfie, I guess. So that's a nice one. And it shoots at 1080p at 30 frames, so I guess not that great. And the rear ones, as you will see, there's actually multiple ones. So you have 4 different ones, and the main one is a 64 megapixel with a f1.8. Then you have the 12 megapixel, which is the ultra wide, 5 megapixel, and well, 2 different 5 megapixels, not really sure. One is a 5 megapixel depth of field. Okay, and yeah, those would probably be the primary aspects of the device. And yeah, so I guess this was concluded. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.